find the solutions to the quadratic equation x squared minus 13x plus 12 is equal to 0. So there are two solutions because the highest exponent is 2. This is x squared, so that means there are two solutions. So now it looks like we can factor this equation. So let's do that. Let's factor it. Now we can also use the quadratic formula if we cannot factor, but it looks like we can factor, so let's use the factor method. So the x came from an x and an x. Now I know that they have the same sign because the middle term is negative, so that means, and this is positive, so that means this is minus and this is also minus. Now the last term came from multiplying. This term came from multiplying this number times this number, but will add up to get this middle term. So that is 12 and a 1. Because when we multiply 12 times 1, well, you get this term. And when you add minus 12 minus 1, you get this term. So now we have factored out correctly. You can check it if you want, but we done factoring. So now we have to solve each factor equal to 0. So we have x minus 12 is equal to 0. So we add 12, put it on the other side. So now we have x is equal to 12. So this is one solution. Now the other solution is the other factor. X minus 1 is equal to 0. So we add 1, put it on this side. So now we have x is equal to 1. So this is the other solution. Now we can check our answer by checking these solutions back into the equation. If you want, say let's do the 1. So x squared minus 13x plus 12 equals 0. Now if we plug in 1, does it equal to 0? So we plug in 1. So 1 squared minus 13 times 1 plus 0, does it equal to 0? So we have 12 minus 13 plus 12, does it equal to 0? So we have 12 minus 13 is minus 12. Minus 1, this is 1 squared, so this is 1. 1 squared is the same as 1. So 1 minus 13 is minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. So minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0, and it's equal to 0. So it checks. And you can also check with 12. And I leave that one up to you now.